Video number 22, Creating the Pathway to Your Dreams, number 6. Question number 4, Are you willing to make some sacrifices to leap from where you are now to where you want to be? Watch this video to the very end so you'll enjoy and I know you'll share it with your friends. I begin. When one is serious about our life and that we believe that the one dream that we aspire for is the one that can save us from the mundane day-to-day job or work that we do, one is willing to do the things, whatever it takes, to hurdle the block, whatever block that would be, and go to the next step. But the reality for me is that we have to be prepared. We must be prepared if we are really anxious and excited to begin the life that we ever wanted. And also, I would like to advise you to go back to question number 3 to help you out on this question number 4. In order for you to contemplate your answers, of which you have seriously planned on, and also sit down and really dissect and digest and seriously thought on your answers on these questions, on the 5 questions that we started from. So you see what I'm driving at? That a journal is invaluable. How would you create the plan for the question number 4 if your notes is missing and you don't remember what you wrote on the question number 3? And also on all the questions, on all the 5 questions. That's why you have to have a journal. So, I'll ask you, what are the sacrifices you are willing to do in order for you to leap to the road to your dreams? What are you willing to give up in your lifestyle right now that is not helping you, and that also, of course, you will survive from that if you give it up, you know. And truthfully, these things that you are going to give up does not add to your life, but only waste your time and energy and money and even resources, of which, when replaced with something significant and useful in your pursuit to your dream life, will add to your being a person, an ideal entrepreneur, or something that makes you happy and that will set up for you to be successful. This is an easy question, but requires so much contemplation and discipline. You would have to decipher your answers to this question number 4, because this is very tricky and would be the door to open the threshold of your dreams. When you leap into this lifestyle, you would become a different person, but a better person. For me, it could be improving my physical fitness, of which when we exercise and sweat it out and inhale new oxygen to the body, we will develop a clear thinking and eradicate self-doubt, depressions, and a lot more of negative notions about ourselves. It could be for you to quit drinking or quit smoking or become productive and not lazy. also find support from people you trust and you know that really sincerely care for you. Your soul is attracted to the people in your life the same way the flowers are attracted to your sun. Surround yourself only with those people who want to see you grow. That's the most important thing. Be with people that you want to emulate and you like, their personality at the same time where they are in life. Thank you for listening and take care. So they say that behind every fear there's a miracle waiting. Awaken your sacred dream, because only you, my darling, can achieve whatever you put your heart and your mind into. God bless. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Share with friends whom you know would enjoy this video. And I would like to hear from you. Put comments and visit my website www.teresalorente.com for more videos, stories, pictures of my artwork. And also go to Amazon to check on my book, A Glimpse of Eden by Teresa Lorente. A very nice, great book to give and share as gifts, and also for you as a downtime companion that is give refreshment to your soul. And hopefully I'll see you next time. You take care. God bless. I love you.